welcome to another vlog. A very much needed detail for the 240. We're gonna get this 240 looking right. Ever since it got wrapped, I haven't given it a proper wash, a proper detail. I'm actually excited to wash the cars today. I think I might have to wash the FRS too because it's disgusting right now. The Christmas decorations are off. I had to take them off for other photos that I had to get and videos. Drove with it for a bit, but they are off now, unfortunately. Maybe I'll put them back on. I don't know. We'll see what the vibes are. Today is just gonna be a nice chill vlog. This has your sign to go and give your car some love. Go give it a nice detail. Honestly, washing your car could be therapeutic sometimes. Heard it here, this is your sign. So go out there and wash your car. Grab a little snack, cozy in. Let's get this car wash started. Got our trusty Home Depot bucket, per usual. Shout out to 3D Car Care. They sent this over to me to try them out. I love it so far. I used it the last time I did a quick wash. Love their wheel cleaner. You know me, I'm a sucker for a good wheel cleaner. Favorite thing about coming into the 240 is the retractable seatbelt. I just feel so cool in it. I'm not gonna lie, I really do. I think I'm a wee bit crooked. I think I'm just gonna leave it. So before, there's like paw prints. Gonna assume those are from my dogs, so there is some tape residue and I have no idea how to take it off. If you know how to take off this tape residue, something that is safe for wrap. I haven't tried Goo Gone because I don't know if it's safe for wrap. I searched it up and I see like 50-50. Please send help. Yeah, so we got a dirty car today. Up the mountain, so just has dust. I'm going up. It's not the worst actually. I feel like this color doesn't pick it up as much, but you could tell it's dusty. The interior could be worse, but gonna give it a clean as well. There's just like a bunch of dust left over from the sanding that I couldn't get out. As quickly as possible because I also want to watch the FRS, put on some music and jam out. I can't stop listening to this song. So freaking good. This world will not like my little speaker for the 240 because my speakers, I don't know what I did, but they're gone. Got a vacuum here. Holy cow, it's hot. Ceramic interior detailer. Super dirty. Super dusty. Also need a new dash cover. 240 things, the dash is super cracked. I had ordered one a long time ago, but it did not work out. Oh, great, that's awesome. I'm gonna be cleaning this car and it's gonna be slowly falling apart. There's so many things I still need to fix on this car. At least it's driving, it's drivable. I've been driving it around. It's so much fun to freaking drive. FRS is automatic, so I like kind of knew how to drive stick before making this car manual, but I wasn't a pro or anything like that. And I'm still not. I don't daily this car, so I don't get enough practice, but it definitely helps that I own a manual car now because I just get to practice whenever I want. All just takes practice. Literally, the more I drive it, the more comfortable I feel. I feel pretty comfortable. I mean, I went to the mountains the other day. It was so much fun driving this car. Shift knob because I don't know what happened here, but it's all messed up. It looks all ugly. I don't even know where they go. Like half of the door is still missing. Finished the 240. She's looking so good. That interior needed some love. Also have tape residue, but this car is even dirtier. Look at this. This is so gross. She's going through it right now. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I basically do the same routine for my cars. I usually use the same soap. Right now I'm using the 3D Care soap. Clean the wheels. Look at that. Oh my god. Trying out their glass cleaner. Time to lock in. I want to get this done as fast as possible. Favorite song or album or artist? I know Spotify Wrapped and Apple Music is doing their little Wrapped for the years. Who's your #1 artist and #1 song? I think mine was like Sabrina Carpenter. I listen to her a lot. I love her. I love this thing. I put it in the dryer while I was cleaning the interior of the 240 and it's ready to go for another use. So love this little towel thing. I just finished with the FRS. I'm sweating. I was going so quick. We got them done. I'm like out of breath. I really hope you guys enjoyed this nice little chill vlog of just washing the cars. Very, very much needed. As you guys saw, the FRS was even dirtier, but the 240's interior was disgusting as well. So they both really needed some little love today, and knowing that I get to wake up tomorrow, that both of my cars are clean, it really is a form of self-care. If you guys have any other video suggestions that you guys want to see from me, please leave them down below, or maybe something you want to see on the cars. Don't forget to shop streetbliss.co. Go check out the new hoodies. I am so freaking happy with how they came out. I can't wait to see you guys rocking them. So send me your pictures on Instagram, on my Streetbliss account, or on my AlexFRS account. Either or, I'll leave everything linked down below so you can go check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.